The $1,000,000 question, or I guess I should say the question that was asked 1,000,000 times. I came on here showing an eyeshadow video, and the question everyone wanted to know was, what did you spray in your hair? What did you spray in your hair? What did you spray in your hair? It's this. It's by R&Co. It is the Bright Shadow Root Touch-Up Spray. I have tried a lot of root touch-up sprays. I've tried all the ones you've tried, right? And I have to tell you, the best, the best, the best. First of all, the color is the most natural. It is transfer proof. If you don't wash your hair, it will last several days, and the colors are beautiful. So let me give you a demo. I also love the tiny little nozzle. So I am using the dark blonde because I want a bit of a shadow root, and you just go in, give it a spray, and then I just take my fingers and kind of do that and let it sit. You want to let it sit about 20 seconds before styling or brushing it out. Do along here. Now it looks a little dark when you first spray it, but just watch. Just watch. All right. Oh, let me get this little spot too. 1 second. Got it. Okay. Let's give it a few seconds. We're going to let it dry and then just brush it through. And that's it. It is the perfect thing between colorings. I was going every 3-4 weeks to cover these grays. Now I can extend it 6 weeks. I just use this spray. It's not tacky. It's not sticky. It's amazing. So yeah, it's the R&Co.